So VM1 is created. Now we need to install the operating system. How will you install the operating system? You will right click on this virtual machine, then you will select the connect option. Then we need to provide the ISO image path, or we need to provide the media path of Windows Server 2022. So we'll go to files, we'll click settings, then we'll go to this DVD drive option and we'll select this physical option. We are having two options, image file or physical CD DVD drive. So image file means you need to provide the ISO image on this server. If you select the second option, physical CD DVD drive, this physical CD DVD drive is nothing but the option of ISO image. We have provided the path in ADC. So it will detect the ISO image from this path we have provided here in ADC. Then we'll click OK and we'll start the virtual machine. We can start the virtual machine from here and you will see multiple buttons here. So this button is to start the virtual machine. This button is for Control Alt Del. This button is for turn off the virtual machine, and so many options are there. You can explore the options. So let us start the virtual machine, and you can maximize the window as well. You will go to View and you select this full view option, and it is loading the files, and it will start the installation. And we have discussed, we have installed the operating system multiple times in this course. You can see. So we will not install the operating system. We will not see the same steps once again. I will show you a few steps, then we'll abort the installation. You know how to install it. You will install the operating system, then you will configure the IP address. Then you will join this operating system to your domain. And let us say you want to install DHCP on this server. You can install the DHCP web server, FTP server, whatever you want, you can do it after installing the operating system. You will select the language, then you will select this install now option. So setup is starting and it will take a lot of time. So let us abort the installation. We'll now do the installation one more time and we will power off the virtual machine or turn off the virtual machine. Let us create another virtual machine. Right click, new virtual machine. We'll click next and let us provide the name VM2. Then we'll click next, generation 1, next, and next, finish. So our VM2 is also created. So we have seen how to create a two virtual machine and we have seen how to install the operating system as well.